Hey everybody, it is time for us to be at the very last part of our promotion binder process. So what we've got going on here is you'll see that I have all of my individual files for the promotion binder. They're all in their individual sections and I have merged them all like the previous video. So for example, if I look at my transcripts, you'll see these are all in PDF. If you look at my transcripts, I can click on this one and you'll see when I scroll through it, I've got my transcripts, my narrative, and then I have my transcripts that are merged within this particular document. So what I have here is I have all of it. I have it loaded up into my promotion portfolio folder. And what I'm going to need to do is actually download this document because for some reason Adobe Acrobat Pro, when it's on your computer, at least for me, it might not be like this for you, but if you are like mine, it's not connected to my OneDrive for work. So I actually have to download everything onto my desktop. So if you have to do that, you just come here and you click download and it's going to automatically download. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll bring up, I've already downloaded it. But when I come here, then I open up my downloads and it's right here. This is what was downloaded. And then I proceeded to save it to my desktop. And when I click on my desktop, here I have Final Draft Portfolio along with a whole bunch of other stuff. And when I click on it, there are all of my documents. Okay, so I'm going to come down here as I have my Adobe Acrobat Pro pinned to my bottom ribbon on my computer. If for whatever reason yours is not pinned there, you can just come to your white space screen and just type in Adobe and it will come up for you. Anyway, so I'm going to click on it. Let me expand this and I'm going to move this information over here. And I'm going to combine files. So I'm going to open this document and I'm going to add my files to it. These files bring me to my computer. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to find my final draft, and then I'm going to load all of these documents. Now, when I load them, they're not going to be in order, most likely, and that's okay. I can organize them myself. But here they are, and actually they are in decent shape, in order. Let me make this little text box a little bit more, and I'll just move them around. So here is 1, 2, 3, we have 4, but then it goes here. So I got to go find 5 and I'll drop that one in here. So 5, and then I need to do 6, and then I need to do 7 goes next. After 7, I'm going to put in line 8, and then we need 9, which is going to be, okay, 9 is there. 10, 11, 12, 13, and then finally we have our additional information. So now they are all in order. They are all here. They're in order. All the documents are put together, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click this combine folder. Okay, so this one's saying that it might merge. So just click OK. Click OK. And now I have a document that's 462 pages long. Gotta love that instruction section. But here we go, and I can scroll through it for you. So here is my first page and my integrated format. Here is my VITA information. That's section B, C, and then D for my VITA. And after that, after all of this information, it will then go into 3, which is transcripts. And again, you see that everything is here. It's in one seamless PDF so that everybody can see it in just one document. Here's my philosophy. Here's my narrative. And here are my sample assignments that I put in with it to kind of validate it. And my examples of things. And I think you kind of get the point and get the drift at this point. So everything is here, it's together, it goes in order of how information is put in. So everyone can see it clearly, and they can just scan it by going straight through the document. So now at this point, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to come here. I will do a save as, and I'm just going to go ahead at this point and I'm going to save it onto my computer. I will click on there, and I just need to put a final name, and I will change this to completed portfolio integrated McKenna, and I will hit save. And I'm going to hit the pause button while I bring up some more stuff. Well, actually from here, now it's saved onto here, and I need to go into my OneDrive or onto the SharePoint for my actual promotion binder. Let's see here, we'll go into the Teaching and Learning Center. I will go into our promotion binders. I know I have more stuff to go through than you guys do, which is a-okay. I come down here to my folder. Here is this information. I'm going to upload. I'm going to upload a file, and I will again go back to my desktop where I have it saved. Final draft portfolio, complete portfolio, click on it, and then that will get loaded up. You'll see here that it's in the process of loading, and right there it is. And now it is ready for the committee to go and look at it. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks so much. Bye.